What's good, lovies? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for another video. For all of our new people, what's up? How you doing? How you living? How you feeling? To all of my regular love subscribers, hey girl, hey. So today I wanted to do a little something different. All fall I have been reaching for nothing but warm tones. I mean, I think all of 2017 basically, that's what I've been gravitating towards. So I thought it would be a cool idea to do half of my face using warm tones because that's what I'm drawn to, and the other half of my face exploring cool tones. And I rarely ever reach for those. I don't know how they're gonna look on my skin tone. I don't know, I just feel more comfortable with the rich golds and oranges and, you know, chocolatey browns and things like that. So we're gonna have a little fun today and see if I am really missing out on the cool tone situation, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys are interested in seeing how my face looks warm versus cool, then please keep on watching. So here we go, let's get started. For my initial transition shade, I am in my Morphe 35R palette, and I'm going to choose this shade here for my warm side. And where is it? Oh, and this top shade here for my cool side. You can see the difference. This is more orangey golden, and this is more gray-ish in tone. So those are the first ones I'm going to use. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, now to warm up the warm side just a little bit more, I'm going to go into my Nubian 2 by Juvia's Place palette and use the shade Morocco here. It's a very, very warm orange tone. I'm just going to use this Deluxe Crease brush by Real Techniques. Take this in my crease. Okay, now I'm gonna go into my Meet Matte Nude palette, and I'm gonna be taking the shade Matte Abdul. It's this very taupey shade here, and I might even use some Matte Hung as well. Oh, that's really cool. That's like very, very cool. Okay, on the warm side, I'm gonna go in with one more warm color. Lies. On the warm side, I'm gonna go in with the Zakia now, and this is from Juvia's Place, the Magic palette, and see if I could put a little something in the crease area. If that does a little something. Not really. No, it's not helping. Okay, so that's only slightly darker than, I'm gonna use this brush. Okay, this is just only slightly darker than Morocco, so it's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to find another shade, but since I started putting it on, I had to finish, so let me blend that out. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Truffled here. You see how this, let me, like, Pudding is a cool brown, Truffled is warmer, grayish or brownie toned. Let's see if this one works. Okay, yes. Yes. So the Naked 3 palette is all cool. Seems like. So I might have some success in the crease if I use one of these shades. Let's see. I think I'm gonna go in with Dark Side in the crease on the cool side. And give him a light. Okay, for the warm lid, I'm going into my Deluxe Carli Bybel palette, and I'm going to use this Duochrome Gold shade here. Just going to pack that on the lid and see how that looks. I just stuck that all the way in my eye. And so I'm also gonna go in with some of this gold right here. On the cool side, I'm going back into my Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, and I'm using the shade Dust. Focus. And it's this really cool toned shimmer. And we'll see how that looks on the lid. All right, lovies, so we are gonna go all in with this warm versus cool. This dog won't stop barking, but we're gonna move forward. We're not gonna let it, you know, steal our joy today. So for my warm foundation, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in the shade 211. You can see. And then my cool side, you can see this one is cooler. Or neutral, cool to neutral. This one is my NARS Sheer Glow in the shade Macao. Yes, I just stabbed myself in the face. Okay, so for my under eye concealers, I am going to do Warm Honey on the warm side and Cool Tan on the cool side. Okay. This point, this does look a little bit warmer, and that does look a little bit cooler, and I'm okay with either one. For the rest of my face, I don't want a super bright highlight, and I want it to kind of look good, so I'm gonna use Fawn. Just for a little bit of a definition. Okay, let's set under the eyes. I'm gonna use my Fit Me in the shade 240 to set both sides. Here's my press powder. Okay, so the highlighted portions are set. Now I'm gonna contour with a warm contour and a cool contour. I keep repeating myself, y'all know how this is, you know what I'm saying. Let's continue going. And I I think I'm gonna skip the cream contour today because that tends to look a little bit harsh on my skin and I don't like it. So where is it? What is it? Here it is. So I'm gonna use, okay, here's the warm contour, here's the cool. Snatch those cheeks, yeah. All right, so that one is when I'm gonna take my oval brush, have no idea what size because it's generic, and do the other side. Ooh, child. Cool. I am not digging the cool tone. But I guess it kind of mimics what a shadow should do. It just looks pretty harsh to me. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Janky Tore Up, because I've had it forever, blush palette, professional blush palette. I'm gonna take this warm orange here. It's more warm in person than it is on my lights and stuff. So, ooh, and these are super pigmented. Let me not look like a clown. I'm gonna start in the back and bring it to the front. Like that. Okay. Here we go. The warm. I love it. And the cool side, I'm going to use, which one do I want to use? I'm gonna go into my Jenny Rivera palette by BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna use this very cool purpley color there. Okay, so I'm going to go into Morocco, basically put the same colors on the bottoms, and then I'm gonna go ahead and trying to make my stomach stop growling. I'm just gonna smoke out Morocco down on this eye and probably matte hung on the other eye. Put on my liner and come back. Liner and lashes. And then we'll do the lip. Alright, lovies, so here we are. Here's the warm and the cool. I don't know which one I prefer right now. I am leaning towards this warm side though, for real, for real. Okay, so now we need to highlight, and for that I'm gonna use some combination of the Carli Bybel Deluxe and the Carli Bybel Original, I guess, because I like the highlighters in these palettes. Okay, so here are the two palettes, the Original and the Deluxe. Here's the Original. The Deluxe. My child is waking up. Oh, I just dug into that. So I'm gonna use the Icier Pinky tones to highlight. Let's see how that, I just dug into that too, Lord. And see how that works out on my face. Not so bad. Now I'm gonna go in with the more golden warm shades. I'm just gonna dip. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna do the neutral gold shade here in the middle, down my nose and whatever, and whatnot. Okay, and for the lips, you can see I have one cool and one warm, both from ColourPop. I'm going to use Limbo on the warm side and Kapow on the cool side. Okay, lovies, this is the final face. Here's my warm side and the cool tone side. I will let you guys be the judge of which side you prefer, you like better. I think that I will probably always lean more towards the warm side, but I've learned by doing this video that I can do cool tones and it's okay. You know, it doesn't look bad, I don't think. This cool tone contour though, I don't know, I think I like the warm tone contour much better. The cool tone lip is okay. I may actually try it out. I've had this Kapow for I don't know how long. It looks so good on other people and I just don't know if it looks good on me. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna let these sit on my face for a while. I'm gonna marinate on them and figure out which one I prefer more. But now I know that I can actually wear both and I won't look casket ready with the cool tones like I thought I was. I probably will not do the cool toned contour. If I do, I'll probably mix it with the warm tone one like I have been doing, but just by itself, I don't know, it just seems a little bit severe to me. I don't know. But I did enjoy doing this video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and hit the like button. Don't be shy. It's okay. If you have not already, please subscribe. I appreciate you guys and I do love seeing new love subscribers added to the family every day. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.